Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Is your iPad stuck? Or you purchased a used iPad? Whether the reason you clicked on this video wanting to find the ways to factory reset all of your iPad's original content and settings, then you've come to the right place. Today we are going to give you 4 really effective ways how to factory reset your iPad without using iTunes or Finder. Let's dive in it right now. In case if you remember your password and just want to clear your previous data or settings, follow these steps below. Go to Settings, then tap on General and scroll all the way down to hit Transfer or Reset iPad menu. Select Erase all content and settings and enter your password when prompted. Next, please back up your data to iCloud Drive as recommended, and finally enter your Apple ID password to confirm your action. Afterwards, the wiping process will begin automatically. After a few minutes, your iPad will reboot automatically and you can start the setup process from the startup screen. However, if you've forgotten your passcode and your iPad is running iPadOS 15.2 or later, sign in with your Apple ID and connect to the web, and you will be able to reset it right from the lock screen without using a computer. To use this option, enter the wrong password on your lock screen until you see the Erase iPad option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Erase iPad feature and then tap Confirm your action again. Here you need to enter your Apple ID password to begin the erasing process. When everything is done, your iPad will be reset to factory settings. The next method will be suitable for you if you have forgotten your passcode and Apple ID or are stuck on the iPad unavailable screen and cannot reset it. To solve this issue, AnyUnlock can help you to unlock and factory reset your iPad quickly and easily without iTunes and iCloud as well. AnyUnlock is the most powerful iOS unlocking tool to help you remove all screen locks without a passcode, including numeric passcodes, touch, facial recognition, patterns, passwords, and many more. Only 3 steps here are required. First, download AnyUnlock for free right in the link in the description and install the application right on your computer. In the pop-up interface of the utility, find and click on Unlock Screen Password option. Second, connect your iPad to your computer via USB or Type-C cable. When prompted, click on the Start Now button. Then, please check all the information about your device carefully and download the suitable firmware. Third, when the download is completed, click on Unlock Now button to begin the unlocking process. Once everything is finished successfully, your iPad will be reset and ready to be set up again. Well, it's just so simple as that. However, if you have another device, like an iPhone for example, and it's signed in with the same Apple ID, fortunately you can reset your iPad using Find My service. For that, open the Find My app right on your iPhone and tap on the Devices tab, then select your iPad that we need to reset. Swipe up and tap on the Erase this iPad option. Then enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Afterwards, the reset process will begin remotely and automatically. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Thanks for watching guys, and if you find this video really helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on the social nets. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time. Peace.